అయిందా? If you are completed, then I will start. Once I started, you need to stop, or else you can continue. I will silent. ఏదో ఒకటి జరగాలి. అయితే మీరన్న మాటలు లేకపోతే నేనన్న మాట్లాడతాను. లేదంటే మీరు మాట్లాడుకొని సైలెంట్ కూర్చుంటే 1 hour ఆగి వెళ్ళిపోదాం బయటికి ప్రశాంతంగా. అంతే అంతే, హ్యాపీ, ఎంజాయ్. ఇంకెలాగో రేపు ఒక్క రోజే లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ అయిపోద్ది దెబ్బతో. వస్తారు, ఎందుకు రారు? వేర్ ఎవర్ యూ గో ఐ విల్ బి దేర్ లాగా వస్తూనే ఉంటారు మీరు. Sir, in the last class, yesterday, we had a discussion about in the Python new features. First one they introduced as a walrus operator colon equal to. It is also called as assignment expression operator. It is came from PEP 572 Python enhancement proposals. And one more thing I'm given yesterday, how to define keyword only arguments. After star, whatever arguments I can provided, those are nothing but only keyword arguments. So examples we completed. Next question yesterday I'm asking, if I declared a function def of f1, a comma b comma slash, what is the meaning of this one? Before slash, how many arguments, whatever I'm given, compulsory, you have to pass those arguments as a position only arguments. For example, go to the test.py. Here I want to go with print a comma b, sir. I want to print. Call f1 a equal to 10, b equal to 20. General if it is not there, is it valid, invalid? Valid only. Keyword arguments, these are. Run the program. D drive classes py test.py. Perfectly valid. The problem is whenever I'm given slash, forward slash, then invalid. Error. What is the meaning? Read that error, sir. What they are telling? F1 got some, but you are passed keyword. So what is the meaning of that? Before slash, whatever arguments are there, those compulsory have to pass positional only arguments. Yesterday, after star, whatever arguments are there, keyword only. Now we need to discuss about what it is. Positional only arguments. We should pass values by positional only arguments, sir. That is forward slash. Forward slash. All parameters before slash will become positional only parameters. Oh, much penka execute chele kada chonde. I remove this A, remove this B, sir. take this one. Now it is perfectly valid because I'm passing positional. Even if I'm passing one positional, one keyword not accepted, compulsory you have to pass only positional. That is the meaning of slash. Star key, slash key. That is the difference. If you give f of a equal to 10, comma 20, error, type error. Sir, from which version it is available? Keyword only arguments are available from 3.0. మరి this one, for example, చూడండి, సేమ్ programs are copy, go to the Python tutor.com, Python. This is their visualization, the code. Simply it is telling, is it valid syntax? Invalid. Invalid. What is the version? అంటే 3.6 లేదు, 3.7 లేదు. It is introduced in 3.8 from Python 3.8 version as the part of PEP 570. It is introduced. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? A comma B comma slash comma C comma D comma star comma E comma F. What is the meaning of this function? పాస్ ఎందుకులే కానీ, యా, what is the meaning? A comma B comma slash C comma D comma star comma E comma F. A and B are positional only. C and D are keyword. What about C and D? Either positional you can pass, keyword you can pass, your wish. But E and F must and should keyword only. So here AB there is no option, pakka position keyword. Only have option C and D. That is your wish. You can pass position or keyword. For example, same thing. You have to take print sir A, B, C, D, E, F. F1 of 10, 20, 30, D equal to 40 comma E equal to 50, F equal to 60. Is it valid? Valid or invalid? Valid, because AB position satisfied, EF position satisfied, CD your wish optional. Anything you can pass, no problem. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. For example, if I'm given B equal to 20, now it should be invalid arguments will be there. So in this case, A and B are positional only parameters. C, C and D are positional or keyword parameters. Keyword only parameters. That is the meaning. Hmm. Sir, what about this one? Def F1 star comma A comma B comma C comma slash. Keyword only. All. Okay. ఇంకా star A B C slash. Hmm? What about ABC? ఏంటి what is ABC? ఇదిగోండి, some people are telling positional or keyword. Some people are telling keyword. Hmm? Sir, after star, what is the meaning? Before slash? మరి what it will considered? Before slash all are positional. After star all are keyword. I am given in between these two. What about the situation of Python? Print A comma B comma C. Then you have to what they are telling invalid syntax, because after star Python consider all keyword, before slash position, it is getting ambiguity as this type of syntax is not there. Invalid syntax. Syntax error we will get. So how to give means first always within the function positional only arguments, comma, positional or keyword arguments, comma, keyword only arguments. This syntax. Positional only, keyword only. So when we go for programming positional only, or when we go for keyword only arguments, we need to go. This means if the parameter names are not important and not having any meaning, and there are only few arguments are there, we go with positional only arguments. If parameter names having meaning and function implementation is more understandable with these names, then you go with keyword only arguments. So being a programmer, you have to decide, can we go with positional only na or keyword only na arguments. So do you know there are in our input output streams at the time of output stream somewhere else have you remembered percentage formatting strings we are using in the last class also in the database I'm using percentage f percentage s percentage d percent percentage d meant for integer f for float s for string. This is the one type of technique but it is very old technique. It is taken from the C language. Actually, it is taken from this is the C language style. From from day one Python onwards, it is available there. There are so many loopholes are there. Present, no one can using this. When compare with this, next later one is str dot format method. Have you remembered dot format? We are using so many times. Name, salary, girlfriend, so and so in input output sim eighth format I'm given. Curling braces, replacement operator. No regular program also we are using. Within the string, if I'm given curling braces, finally I have to give format of internal, you can pass the values. When compare with this one, this is okay, fine. Some more better dot format. But in all, in all these latest, everyone using trending is F strings. F string means are simple. Before F, how to represent a string in the Python? Single quotes. Suppose single quotes if I am given some name. This is called as F string. Single quotes, whatever I am given, that is considered as a string. Before that, if I am using F, this is called as F string. Nowadays, have you remembered in our Django classes, populate.py, I'm using last sentence print F single quotes. That is called as F strings in populate.py file. Whenever I'm inserting records last, sounds or records inserted, print statement I'm using F strings only we are using. Present everyone using F strings only. Performance wise very fast. Memory will be occupied very less memory. So such a type of strings are called as F strings, sir. F strings, or we can call it as formatted string or literal. ఏదో అయింది మళ్ళీ F string, formatted strings, or literal string interpolation. It is available from Python 3.6 version onwards. It is available, sir, F strings. But starting onwards available only percentage formatting. Python 2, they are introduced dot format. Python 3.6, they introduced F strings. The అది పెప్ 498 ఈవినింగ్ 5. Sir, what is the meaning of string formatting? Anyone tell? String formatting means ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం by using dot format or percentage f percentage what we are doing, we are inserting some values in between the string, or we are inserting some expressions in the middle of the string. That is called as string formatting. String formatting means inserting the values and expressions in string literal. So generally three types are there. First, Two, you know. So further explanation is not required because already we are using so many times. But those are no one using nowadays. Percentage formatting. It is from C language. In Python 2, they are introduced this string format, sir. This one also I explained so many times. But only thing is new thing, F strings. Sir, Jonde, same three I will show in the single example. First two already we used, sir. First one. I have a sequel to, sir. Sunny is there. Sir, that I want to print hello, Sunny, good morning by using first technique. How to use this one, this one. I want to print hello, Sunny, good morning by using first technique. How to print? Print. Mm, single quotes. Hello. Percentages. Next, good morning. Come outside. Percentage. Percentage. Yes. Without percentage, is it replaced? No. Compulsory percentage. Then the test value will be replaced into this one. Why I'm given percentages because of string. Ade if it is integer, D. Ade if it is float, F. So yes. Now we will get the output, sir. This one you know. Hello, Sunny. Good morning. Yeah. Tell the second format. This style. Print. Hello. Curling braces. Good. Guess ఎందుకు curling brace means replacement కదా. Hello, curling brace. Good morning. Come outside. Dot. Format of yes. This S will be replaced there. This is the second style. Now what is the third style? Print. Yeah. First F with single quotes. Yeah. Hello. Hmm. Curling brace. Inside. Yes. Good morning. This F string. This S value will be replaced into this curling braces, sir. That is the meaning. Ade F string style. Whatever you want to give curling brace. This is the latest one. Everyone using the F strings only. Sir, for example, see here, what will happen? Anyone tell? It will print as it is, no replacement. Hello, curling braces, good morning. F unten it should be replaced. If F it is not there, it will be taken normal string. So F is mandatory. డబుల్ కలిగి చూడకూడదు ఇస్తే చూపిస్తే ఏం జరిగిద్దా ఉంది one interview they are asking that question. I will give four options they are given. I will give that question what they are asking in interview. డబుల్ ఇస్తాడు త్రిబుల్ ఇస్తాడు ఫోర్ ఇస్తాడు వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ అవుట్పుట్స్ యూ హావ్ టు టెల్ can I use only single quotes or double quotes? Can I use capital F? Capital F is valid invalid. Capital F is invalid. Valid invalid. అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చింది కదా వ్యాలిడ్ ఓన్లీ క్యాపిటల్ ఎఫ్ ఆల్సో నో ప్రాబ్లం సేమ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో ఎనీథింగ్ ఈజ్ note. We can use either small f or capital F. We can use your wish single quotes you can use, double quotes you can use, triple quotes you can use, anything. Single. సో అవి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ సార్ ఇదిగోండి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ చూడండి ఇక్కడే జస్ట్ సేమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ విల్ యూ డోంట్ రైట్ జస్ట్ యువర్ అండర్స్టాండబుల్ పర్పస్ ఓకే క్యాపిటల్ ఎఫ్ స్మాల్ ఎఫ్ డబుల్ కోడ్స్ జస్ట్ అండర్స్టాండబుల్ పర్పస్ ఓన్లీ ఇదిగోండి ట్రిపుల్ కోడ్స్ 1 2 3 ట్రిపుల్ కోడ్స్ స్మాల్ ఎఫ్ 1 2 3 triple double so anything triple double all are valid cases only okay so anything you can use small f capital F single double triple handling the codes in F string అంటే I want to print this is a the symbol double quotes is good how to print the symbol double quotes is good symbol so outside you have to give single quotes అంటే చూడండి so many ways are there just all these are printing purpose only print f with single quotes the symbol double quotes is good is it valid no na valid only outside single quotes between double quote no problem if all double quotes are there then it should be the invalid so between I provided this one so valid only for example if I want to print single quotes sir then outside you have to give double quotes if all double quotes invalid outside double inside single valid only both I want to print single double then అంటే రెండు కావాలి I want this symbols single code and double code are good what to do you have to use the first option is 1 2 3 triple codes 1 2 3 triple codes then valid another alternative is you have to go with I want to give double quotes only but I want to print how you can go with yeah you have to go with backslash then it will be treated as symbols in the F string this is the way how to handle our codes how to define multi-line string multiple lines in single F string we have to go with triple quotes multi-line F string name equal to Mahesh age equal to 50, subject equal to Python. I want to print multiple lines means print F with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In this, you have to provide, sir, name, colon. What is the, what is the replacement? Name. Age, colon. The replacement is age. Subject, colon. The replacement is subject. This is the way. Oh, copy, paste here, save, and run. Am I getting multiple lines or not? That is the multi-line F string. Huh? Age, done. Sweet 16. అబ్బా, ఏమైంది దీనికి? So now in F strings, we can call functions also possible. Python F string calling a function. For example, sir, see this. I'm given name equal to Sunny. I want to print F string kabatti F, the faculty name. Just if I'm given name, what it will come? The faculty name is Sunny. Here I want to call one function. The function is upper. So directly I can use function also. No problem. Converted to uppercase printed. Normal string function calling is not possible. In F string, directly you can call functions also. Sir, upper is the predefined function. For example, if I have any my own function is there, user defined function. Then functions are two types, predefined, user defined. Suppose I have completed this one. Sir, చూడండి. I have my own function is there. How to declare function? Def is the keyword. My max a comma b. Now the max value is I am using ternary operator a if a greater than b else b. This one you know ternary operator. It is checking the condition. If the condition is true, a will be stored to the max. Otherwise, B will be stored to the max, return that max value. This is my function. Now, I can ask from the keyboard, enter first number. Enter first number. Stored into value, yes, sir. Convert into integer. Enter second number. N should be small. A, B. So two numbers are there. I want to print, sir, F with string. The maximum of A will be replaced and what it is? B will be replaced. Check this. How output is coming? 10, 20. The maximum of A and B అంటే 10 and 20. ఇంకా not completed. See here is what is the replacement? Curling brace. What is your function? My max. What is the values can I pass? A comma B, done. 10, 20. Came. So user defined functions also you can call into the F strings. That is possible in F string. So we can use some expressions also inside the F string is nothing but formatted string. So for example, see this example. We can use expressions inside F strings. How to use this means, see this, tell the answer. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30, sir. Now I have to print the result, curling braces, A plus B star C. Operator precedence, have you remembered? A plus B star C. What is the output you are getting? 6. A plus B and 10 plus 20, 30. 30 into 30, 900. 900. ఎంత 6? 610. See that. What is the output I'm getting? A plus B star C only. Why? F is missing. That is the reason. So compulsory F is mandatory. If F is not there, no replacement. If F is there, then 610 is the answer. 6, 10, 20 into 30. Then 600 plus 10, 610. Sir, for example, I want to go with, now tell this. F of, F I am given, the result is curling braces 10 star 20 by 3. What is the output? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, డైరెక్ట్ వాల్యూస్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్. ఎంత? 60యా? 66 పాయింట్ సంథింగ్ 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 వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఇట్. ఇదిగోండి 66.66666 came. After dot, I don't want these many values. Just I have to display only 2, 6, 7. How to print? In this case, sir, there is one more is there, sir. Here, sometimes we are using ikkada colon dot 2f. Two floating points will be displayed 67. Like that also, we need to use our expressions into f strings. కానివ్వండి, ఇంకెన్ని రోజులు, 2 days. కాస్త మీరంతా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారా? మీరు ఎందుకు వెళ్తారో నాకు తెలుసు ల్యాబ్కి. డైలీ డైలీ ల్యాబ్కి, డైలీ క్లాస్కి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్? ఐ నో. అవునా? సార్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ how to use the curling braces inside F strings. How to use curling braces. అంటే my requirement is, sir, I want to print, ఇందాక I am printed this one, what I printed, ఇదిగోండి, the symbol is good, same. My output is, I want to print this is a special symbol. ఇది కావాలి అవుట్పుట్. టెల్ ద ప్రింట్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఏమని ప్రింట్ చేయాలి? కర్లింగ్ బ్రేస్ ఈజ్ ఏ స్పెషల్ సింబల్. టెల్ ప్రింట్ ఎఫ్ స్ట్రింగ్, what can I use? Curling brace is a special symbol. Am I getting the output? So this output కావాలి నాకు. Curling brace is a special symbol. Curling brace is special symbol in the F string. Can I run it? Am I getting output or not? No. What is the reason? In the F string, once open curling brace, it is expecting closing curling brace. Will get error. The F string can be expected closing because the F string meaning is always once you open, closing is compulsory. No, compulsory. But I want to print this output. How? Very good. What we can use? Back slash. Is it valid? Invalid. Backslash are not valid. Asal once you open curling brace, compulsory or to closing mandatory. In this case, what I was doing is here, we can go with double curling brace, then it will be treated as a symbol. Double means closing not required. It is treated as not the replacement, only symbol it will be treated. Previous ga how it is taken, why whenever I'm using backslash, why it is taken as a symbol? General single quotes and meaning and string. But how it is considered normal symbol because of the backslash. Same here also, because of double curling brace, it is. Suppose see, I am using 3, then it is expecting closing because first two will be considered as a one curling brace symbol. But once you open means closing mandatory. Again, it is expecting curling brace. Error. If I give 4, then what is the output? 2 curling braces symbol will be printed. So even number means it is taken as a symbol. Odd number means it is expecting compulsory, closing mandatory. Sorry. Once I open, closing is asking. Directly if I'm using closing, then what will happen? I not opened. I didn't open. If open expected closing, I'm given directly closing. Then is it printed same output or not? Is it expecting opening? No. Once you open, closing is mandatory. Once you given direct symbol, then what is the output? Is it printed same? Save, run. We are getting error. Single curling brace is previous student errors. Observe error. Previously expecting, now single curling brace is not allowed. It is not expecting open. Same terminology here also you can use double. Then valid. If you given triple, not valid. If given 4, valid. 2 curling braces will be printed. So like that you have to handle curling braces are print curling brace is a syntax error. 2 valid, 3 invalid, 4 valid again. So same closing also same story, sir. Now I will give example in interview. What they are asking is name equal to Sunny, the print F string with F string inside name colon curling brace name. So they are given these type of four questions they are asking. They are asking outputs. చెప్పండి. What is the outputs? First one, name equal to Sunny. Because of replacement, here everybody knows about that. Here, no doubt. Next. Uh, hmm, ఇంకా third one. Hmm, Sunny, curling brace with Sunny. Sir, first one Sunny kada, okay. Second two curling braces means what is the meaning? Single curling brace. Okay. Then name curling brace. Third one, two curling braces meant for single curling brace. Okay, done. Again, two curling braces means close curling braces. Single curling brace with name means is it a replacement or not? Replacement. So what is the output? Curling brace with Sunny. Fourth case. This is one curling brace. This is one more curling brace. So double curling brace, name, double curling brace. Yes or no? This is the outputs. Alaga, how to handle double, triple curling braces in F strings? Check the outputs. Sunny, next name, Sunny, double curling brace with name. Sir, Adi, story of F string. Sir, sometimes we are using this one, x equal to x plus 1 instead of that. Can I use x plus equal to 1? Yes, same. In F string, in the 3.8, they are added some new thing is, these are all available 3.6. In the 3.6, that is not there. 3 enhance F string is, we can use equal to symbol inside F string. Inside F string, equal to symbol. What is the meaning means? Observe here. Sir, x equal to 10, y equal to 20. Up to now, you know, you have to print x value, y value. How to print it? Print F string x equal to curling brace x. Now, y equal to curling brace y. Yes, sir, no. X equal to 10 replaced, y equal to 20 replaced. The common. Because of this curling brace, x value replaced. Here, y value replace. This thing you know. But in the 3.8, what they are given is, ఇది normal గా. What they are given means here. Remove this one. remove this one. Inside curling brace, am I getting same output or not? Same. Previous ఏం చేసాం? X equal to curling brace replacement. Now within the curling brace, I can use equal to symbol. Automatically, I'm getting the values. Both are same only. Just how we are using x equal to x plus 1. X plus 1 equal to x. Same like that, we are using this one. This is very useful at the time of debugging time. We can use equal to symbol inside F string for self documentation purpose. So, first approach, second approach, both are same. See, some another example is same like this. I have to give name equal to, and I have to provided salary equal to, and I have to give girlfriend name, son name. Three variables are there. Sir, I want to print all the values. See, F with the string, curling brace. Can I give name equal to, comma, curling brace? Can I give salary equal to, comma, in curling brace, girl friend name equal to. Now all will be printed there. So like that, any variable you can give, within that you have to provide that. So that is the story of F string story. What to do? I want to make the two list into a single list. A new list I want to create. How? చిన్న క్వశ్చనేగా. What to do? Union. Union is available set. Is the list. Union intersections are available in the sets only. This is the list data type. L3 equal to L1 plus L2. Print of L3. సార్ నో అనుకుంటే కాదు. ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ నా. బట్ దిస్ థింగ్ 90%, 99% పీపుల్ నో. బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషాలిటీ ఆఫ్ అవర్స్? నౌ I want to give another style. Check this. L4 equal to square brackets star L1 comma star L2. Print L4. Star L1 means positional arguments actually. Okay. In L1 one by one value it is reading. L2 one by one value reading added. This is the new style. Star L1 comma star L2. What is the meaning of star? Within the function positional argument, same L1 it is reading one by one data, and L2 reading the one by one and created. ఎందుకు చెప్తుందంటే why I'm telling వామ్మో for I in L1 L dot append of I for I L2 L dot. I'm not asking programming, just they are asking because sir, if whenever you are asking this one, everyone tell in the interview that this one new thing this is okay. Next, let's how to update existing list with elements of another list. Value same only. Hmm? ఏంటిది ఏం చేయాలి? లిస్ట్ వన్ లో ఇన్వాలిడ్. అన్ని సింపుల్ సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్సే. ఏం చేయాలి? L1 dot extend of L2 print of L1. Now L2 values will be added to L1 or not? మరి చెల్లండి 11 అయిందిగా, ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి. ఇన్ ద Telegram I will upload the questions, you can check it. In the Telegram I will upload the remaining questions, tuple, set, dictionary related. PDF I will give today, I will forward in the Google Classroom.
Recording stopped.
Online guys, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue.